show you how to place tissue paper in a gift bag so that it looks really cute and fluffy. I have red tissue paper, green, and then a printed sheet that's really cute. It has red and green gifts on it. So let's go ahead and get our bag open. And it's just a plain bag from Dollar Tree. I actually want to do the solid tissue paper, the printed, and then the solid. So I have it lying flat here. What I'm going to do is just find the center. It doesn't have to be the exact center, but as close as you can get. Close to the center as you can. Pinch the center with one hand, and with the other hand, you're just going to pull the tissue paper together. Like that. Turn it upside down. Place it in your bag. Do the same thing with the next piece. Find the center, pinch, place it in your bag. And the last piece, doing the exact same thing. And be careful, you don't want to tear the tissue paper. Gives you a nice, fun, fluffy look, and you don't have to use as much tissue paper. This is only 3 pieces of tissue paper. Just like that, and it looks so cute and adorable. You can kind of adjust it, snug it in a little bit more if you'd like, or leave it out. It's completely up to you. But it looks so cute and adorable. And again, it looks fuller. So you use less tissue paper and you get a more full, fluffy effect. So that's one way. The other way I like to do it is take your tissue paper, lie it flat, take the next sheet. We're going to stack the tissue paper, but not directly on top of one another, like at angles. So the next sheet, and if you have tissue paper that is printed on one side, make sure you have the right side facing up. And then the last piece. So I want to kind of crisscross them. You can see that. See, none of them are the exact same way. I want to kind of find the center of all 3. So I would say probably about right here. I'm going to pinch the center and carefully gather up my tissue paper and flip it over. Just like that. I'm going to take my bag and place it snugly inside my bag. But see, this is more of a mixed up kind of fun bag, and this one is more organized and the colors are separated, the tissue paper is separated. So it's just personal preference, honestly. Sometimes I will do this style, sometimes I would do this way. Just depends on the tissue paper I'm using, if I'm using all of one color or if I have a color scheme going on. So just go with whichever one you prefer and whichever goes better with your scheme. But this is what they look like. So cute, adorable, and simple to do. Again, you use less tissue paper and it looks cuter and fuller and fluffier.